Today we are going to build a clean modern lower thirds in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Click the Fusion button to jump into the Fusion page. Alright, let's start building. Grab a text plus node and type your main title. I'm doing mine in all caps. Now add a merge node right after media in 1 and connect your text node to the green input. Choose your font, color, and size and position it in the lower third area. Perfect. With the text node selected, add a blur node. For now, set the blur size to 0. We will use it in a moment. Before adding the subtitle, let's animate our main title. Select the text node and go to frame 20. In the Layout tab, push the center X to the right until the text is completely off screen and add a keyframe. Now move forward about 8 frames and bring the text back to its original position. That's our in animation. Now let's create the out animation. Jump to frame 100 and add a keyframe on center X. Move 5 frames ahead and push the text to the right again until it's off screen. Looks good, but we need to smooth the motion. Open the spline editor, make sure the text node is selected, hit zoom to fit, select all keyframes and press S to smooth them. Perfect. Alright. For extra motion, turn on the motion blur in the text node and set the quality to around 5. Now let's add the blur animation. Select the blur node and go to frame 20. Set the blur size to 2 and keyframe it. Move 8 frames forward, bring blur back to 0. Now jump to frame 100, add a keyframe, 5 frames ahead, set blur back to 2. Now our main title has a nice clean in and out animation. Time for the subtitle. Grab another text plus node and type your subtitle. Instead of adding a merge manually, just connect this text node to the output of merge 1. Style it however you like, just keep it smaller than the main title for contrast and position it right underneath. Now let's animate the subtitle. Move center Y so the subtitle sits directly on top of the main title. Go to frame 28 and add a keyframe. Move about 8 frames forward and slide it back to its final position. Now for the outro. Jump to frame 100 and add a keyframe. Then move 5 frames forward and move center X to the right until the subtitle exits the screen. So far so good. Let's hide the subtitle at the beginning so it looks like it reveals from inside the main title. Add a rectangle mask to the subtitle text. Resize it so it covers the text. Check invert. And place the rectangle right over the subtitle. Nice, now it pops out nicely. Final touch, blur. Instead of repeating all those blur steps, just copy the blur node from the main title, right-click on the subtitle node's line and paste it. Done. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe because more amazing tutorials are coming up next.